and Eve, a Flanders quest, and this is Boris, our self-converted van. We are so glad to introduce him.
So, let's go check it out.
Van life at its best, making slow coffee. Coffee.
Thank you.
Please, welcome.
So, this is the cockpit of our van. Let's give you a quick tour. This is a 2015 Peugeot Boxer, or a Fiat Ducato, or a Citroën Jumper, whatever you want to call it, or for our American friends, a Promaster. It's a 2.2 diesel engine, 130 horsepower, has a GPS system built in, a backup camera, 6-speed, all you need, electric windows, lots of storage above my head, more storage on the passenger side, has all you need, I guess.
For the passenger seat, we're still hoping to find a single swivel seat, but that's very hard to find in Belgium and Europe, and it's also very expensive. So we think we have to do with this bench for our trip. What we did is we bought an organizer. That makes the front more clean. We keep our bottles here, so the coffee and the water and our glasses. I think it will be very convenient.
Back to the inside, our kitchen, and we start with our pièce de résistance, our Dometic CRX 85 compressor fridge. As you can see, plenty of storage room for our juices, our fresh produce, and of course our craft beers. If I close the fridge, you can see our magnetic jars full of spices, turmeric, cumin, garlic powder and chili flakes, of course. On top of the countertop you see our 2-burner stove, which run on propane. 2 burners because we love to cook and we love to host dinner parties. We finished the kitchen, the backsplash, with real metro style tiles because these one give a homey feel to our van.
My favorite part of the van are the cabinets. They are made by Yves and my dad. He's a professional carpenter. I love the design. These make Boris special. So we look inside. So we have the glasses and cups in a mousse. So they won't make any noise and they can't break when we drive. Next to it we have some plates, boils, all stored very well. We have a lot of storage under the countertop. All in baskets.
On to the other side of the kitchen, the sink area, where we have our Dometic sink with a real kitchen faucet. We can turn the faucet to the outside with an extendable spray head, perfect to rinse our hiking boots or to wash our hair. Underneath we have a 43-liter white water tank and a grey water tank. On the other side, underneath this one, we have our 12-volt SureFlow pump to create a steady stream of water. Also in the kitchen area we'll find this control panel with a switch for the water pump, USB chargers, dimmer for my overhead lights, Victron Energy battery monitor and the control panel for the inverter. I will explain later on our electrical setup, and on top the remote control for the Max Air fan in front of the van.
For the living area we opted for a dinette. Why did we choose a dinette? First of all, we love to have a lot of space because the van is very small. Also, we love to invite people. We can sit with 4 people having dinner here. On top we have the closet, extra closet. It's a hers and a his. There we keep all our clothes. Very convenient. What do we do at night? We lower the table. We have an adjustable table leg, so we make the bed out of this. And I made myself blackout insulated window covers with magnets on the sides to keep the lights out. I have the same one at the sliding door, and I have a blackout curtain at the front.
I've put all the electrical stuff under this bench, easy accessible. I'll show you what I've done. Remove these mattresses, cushions, and here you can see our charger, our charge controller of our 320 watt solar panel, one big one, giving juice to these 2 big batteries, 100 amp hour each lithium batteries. We have an inverter over there, 1500 watt inverter with a peak of 3000 watt, full of breakers, main switch, enough to juice everything we need, our LED lights, the fridge, the fan, to charge our computers, blender. We have a blender, so juice enough. So we hope you liked this van tour as much as we did. If you want to see more of our future adventures in Europe, please subscribe to this channel for weekly updates. Cheers!
Cheers!
Whoa! Whoa!
Een beetje beter.
Whoa!